Picture this. You're sitting on your front porch with a cup of coffee, watching the sunrise. But instead of just your front porch, you can walk all the way around your entire home without stepping off the porch. Rain or shine, you've got 360 degrees of covered outdoor living space. Welcome to the world of modern Barndominium farmhouses with wrap-around porches, where rustic charm meets contemporary luxury and outdoor living becomes a lifestyle. Today, I'm showing you why this design is taking over the housing market in 2025, the real costs, stunning design options, and everything you need to know before you build your dream home. But first, if you love innovative home designs and alternative housing solutions, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you never miss our content. Drop a comment below and let me know, would you build a Barndominium with a wraparound porch? And a massive shout out to all our channel members for your incredible support. You're the reason we can keep bringing you this quality content week after week. Thank you for being part of this community. Now let's dive in. What makes this design so special? A modern Barndominium farmhouse with a wraparound porch combines three powerful design elements into one incredible home. You get the cost-effectiveness and open spaces of a Barndominium, the timeless appeal of farmhouse aesthetics, and the ultimate outdoor living experience of a wraparound porch. This isn't just about looks, it's about lifestyle. The wraparound porch typically extends across the front of the home and wraps around 2 or 3 sides, creating hundreds of square feet of covered outdoor space. We're talking 400 to 650 square feet of porch in many designs. That's essentially adding an entire outdoor room to your home. You can set up different zones for dining, lounging, entertaining, or simply enjoying nature without worrying about sun or rain. The modern farmhouse aesthetic brings clean lines, board and batten siding, metal roofing, large windows, and a perfect blend of rustic and contemporary elements. These aren't old-fashioned barns. They're sophisticated homes with vaulted ceilings, open concepts, luxury finishes, and all the modern conveniences you expect, wrapped in a timeless exterior that never goes out of style. Why this design is genius for modern living. The outdoor living space is the star of the show. A wraparound porch gives you protected outdoor space for every season and time of day. Morning coffee on the east side watching the sunrise. Afternoon shade on the north side during summer heat. Evening relaxation on the west side watching the sunset. You always have options. For families who love entertaining, you can host dozens of people with overflow space that feels natural and integrated, not like an afterthought. The curb appeal is absolutely unmatched. A wraparound porch transforms a simple Barndominium into a statement home. It softens the industrial lines of the metal building and creates that welcoming, inviting look that makes a house feel like a home. If you're building in a rural area or on acreage, this design style fits perfectly with the landscape. Even in suburban settings, these homes stand out in the best possible way. The practical benefits are significant. That covered porch protects your windows and doors from weather, which can extend their lifespan and reduce maintenance. It provides natural shading that can lower cooling costs by 10 to 15% during summer months. It acts as a buffer zone between outdoor elements and your interior, keeping your home cleaner. And it gives you instant storage options for outdoor furniture, equipment, and seasonal items that stay protected from the elements. The functionality for different lifestyles is incredible. If you work from home, imagine setting up an outdoor office space during pleasant weather. For families with kids, the porch becomes a safe play area that's protected but still outdoors. For retirees or those aging in place, you have easy access to outdoor space without steps or difficult navigation. For hobby enthusiasts, whether you're into woodworking, gardening, or crafts, you have covered workspace that transitions seamlessly between indoor and outdoor activities. Real costs and size options. Let's talk honest numbers for 2025. Building a modern Barndominium farmhouse with a wraparound porch costs between $60 to $160 per square foot for complete turnkey construction. The wide range depends on finishes, location, and customization level. For a 1,635 square foot single-story design with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a semi-wraparound porch, you're looking at approximately $98,000 to $195,000 for mid-range finishes. This popular design includes soaring 14-foot ceilings in the main living area, an oversized 2-car garage, walk-in pantry, and functional eat-at bar in the kitchen. It's perfect for couples, small families, or empty nesters who want comfortable living without excessive space. For a 2,000 square foot build with full wrap-around porch adding about 500 square feet of covered outdoor space, expect total cost of $150,000 to $280,000. This size accommodates 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, open concept living areas, and substantial garage or workshop space. This is the sweet spot for many families who need room to grow but want to stay budget conscious. For a luxury 2,700 square foot 2-story barndominium with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, an extensive wraparound porch, costs run $220,000 to $380,000 depending on finishes and location. These larger designs often include loft spaces overlooking the great room, main level primary suites, upstairs bedrooms for kids or guests, and high-end features throughout. The wraparound porch itself adds approximately $15 to $35 per square foot to your total construction cost. For a 500 square foot porch, that's $7,500 to $17,500. This is one of the best value additions you can make. Compare that to the value it adds. Outdoor living spaces consistently rank among the top features homebuyers want, and a wraparound porch can increase your home's value by $15,000 to $40,000 or more. Shell costs for the basic metal building structure run $20 to $35 per square foot. A 2,000 square foot barndominium shell costs approximately $40,000 to $70,000 before any finishing work. This includes the metal frame, exterior panels, roof, and trim package. From there, you need foundation, interior finishes, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and all the elements that make it livable. Stunning design features you can expect. The exterior aesthetics offer endless possibilities. Most modern barndominium farmhouses feature vertical metal siding in various colors from classic black and charcoal gray for contemporary looks, to barn red and forest green for traditional appeal, to white and cream for bright farmhouse charm. Board and batten accent walls add texture and visual interest. Metal roofing and standing seam or corrugated styles provides durability and low maintenance. Large windows, often black framed, flood the interior with natural light and create that modern farmhouse look everyone loves. The wraparound porch itself becomes a design showcase. Posts and columns can be traditional wood, modern steel, or decorative stone wrapped for varied aesthetics. Railings range from simple horizontal cables for contemporary style, to classic wood balusters for traditional charm, to metal pipe railings for industrial flair. Ceiling treatments include tongue and groove, wood for warmth, painted beadboard for classic appeal, or exposed beams for rustic character. Lighting options are endless, from farmhouse pendants and string lights, to modern sconces and recessed fixtures. Interior layouts maximize the barndominium advantages. Open concept great rooms with vaulted ceilings of 14 to 16 feet create dramatic, airy spaces. Large kitchen islands with eating bars become the heart of the home. Primary suites on the main level offer convenience and aging-in-place capabilities. Flexible loft spaces upstairs can serve as bedrooms, offices, playrooms, or media rooms. Walk-in pantries and mudrooms provide essential storage. Large windows and glass doors connect interior spaces to the wraparound porch visually and functionally. Modern farmhouse finishes bring it all together. Exposed wood beams add warmth and character. Shiplap or board and batten accent walls create focal points. Luxury vinyl plank or stained concrete floors provide durability and style. Farmhouse sinks and kitchens deliver function and aesthetic appeal. Custom cabinetry in white, gray, or natural wood tones fits any style preference. Industrial lighting fixtures, modern appliances, and spa-like bathrooms complete the contemporary feel. Layout options and configurations. Single-story ranch-style barndominiums are incredibly popular. These designs put everything on one level for convenience and accessibility. The wraparound porch typically extends across the entire front and down both sides, creating maximum outdoor space. Inside, you have 2 to 4 bedrooms, open living areas, and often attached garages or workshops. Square footage ranges from 1,200 to 2,500 square feet typically. These are perfect for empty nesters, retirees, or anyone who wants to avoid stairs. Two-story designs with loft spaces offer more options. The main level houses primary living areas, including the master suite, great room, kitchen, and dining. Upstairs, additional bedrooms and a loft space provide privacy and flexibility. The wraparound porch on the main level creates incredible indoor-outdoor flow. These designs work beautifully for growing families or anyone who wants separation between adult and kid spaces. Barndominium farmhouses with shops or RV garages combine home and hobby space. The wraparound porch helps balance the visual presence of large garage doors and makes the building feel more residential and less commercial. You might have 1,500 square feet of living space and 1,000 square feet of shop under one roof, with the porch tying the whole design together aesthetically. The honest challenges to consider. Let's address the realities. Building costs can escalate quickly with custom features. While the basic barndominium structure is cost-effective, adding a wraparound porch, custom finishes, and luxury elements adds significantly to the budget. You need realistic expectations and careful planning to avoid cost overruns. Always budget an extra 10 to 15% for unexpected expenses. Zoning and building codes vary dramatically by location. Some areas embrace barndominiums, while others have restrictions. Rural areas are typically more flexible. Suburban areas may have architectural guidelines that limit your options. Always check with your local building department before purchasing land or making plans. Getting permits can take weeks or months, depending on your jurisdiction. Maintenance considerations exist with any home. The metal exterior requires minimal maintenance, which is great. However, the wraparound porch needs regular upkeep. Wood decking requires staining or sealing every few years. Railings need inspection and maintenance. Keeping the porch clean and free of debris is ongoing work. If you choose wood posts or trim, they need protection and maintenance. Financing can be more challenging than traditional home loans. Many conventional lenders are unfamiliar with barndominiums. You may need construction loans, farm credit lenders, or alternative financing. Having detailed plans, realistic budgets, and working with experienced builders helps the financing process considerably. Resale considerations depend on your market. In rural areas and regions where barndominiums are popular like Texas, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and much of the South and Midwest, these homes sell well and hold value. In suburban areas with strict architectural conformity, you may have a smaller buyer pool. If you're building your forever home, this matters less. If you might sell within 5 to 10 years, research your local market carefully. Who is this perfect for? This design is ideal for rural or acreage living where you have space to appreciate the full wrap-around porch and views. Country living enthusiasts who want modern comforts in a farm-style setting will love this. Empty nesters downsizing from larger homes, but wanting quality and character find these perfect. Young families looking for cost-effective builds with room to grow appreciate the value. DIY builders who want to be involved in construction benefit from the straightforward building process. Anyone who values outdoor living and entertaining will maximize the porch space. A modern barndominium farmhouse with a wraparound porch represents one of the best combinations of style, function, and value in today's housing market. You're getting a home that's cost-effective to build, inexpensive to maintain, beautiful to look at, and incredible to live in. The wraparound porch isn't just an aesthetic choice. It's a lifestyle upgrade that gives you hundreds of square feet of usable outdoor space that's protected and integrated with your home. Yes, you need to do your homework. Check zoning, get detailed quotes, plan your budget carefully, and work with experienced builders who understand both barndominium construction and wrap-around porch integration. But when done right, you end up with a unique home that stands out, lives beautifully, and costs significantly less than traditional construction. Whether you're dreaming of morning coffee watching the sunrise, evening dinners on the porch, hosting family gatherings, or simply having that perfect spot to relax and enjoy your property, a wraparound porch barndominium delivers. Its rustic charm meets modern living. Its indoor comfort meets outdoor freedom. It's your dream home, built your way. So here's my question for you. What's your dream barndominium design? Would you go single-story or two-story? Traditional farmhouse colors or modern black and gray? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one, and I love hearing from you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up share it with anyone considering a barndominium build, and subscribe if you haven't already for more content on alternative housing, building tips, and design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.